Again, we did have this thing checked with the 6-foot level. The bubble did stay between the two lines. It did appear to be off to one side ever so slightly. The guy that checked it with a level said it was off about either an 1/8 or a 1/16 of an inch over the course of, I believe he said 6 feet. You know, so it really isn't my imagination, you know, that the countertop is not level, well, not perfectly level like I would like it to be. You know, and again, he did try and explain off some of this gap is the gap coming from being hand taped and mudded. Again, you know, you can clearly see the gap on both sides. You know, perhaps if the countertop was perfectly level as it should be, that gap wouldn't be there. And the gaps on the ends of the countertops would not be as noticeable and pronounced as they are.